Hi guys, my name's Link from Gardening Express, and today we're talking about the Cordyline australis red heart. This striking plant has long sword-like leaves that fan out from the centre with green tips and a bright red heart. Now, this plant is great for architectural style gardens, in borders, gravel style gardens, and even in patio containers. Now the good news is for beginner gardeners is this plant is really easy to take care of. It enjoys a lot of sun or even some light shade, well draining soil, and it can even survive in pots as long as you don't let it dry out. In milder areas, a cordyline red heart can grow into a small tree if you let it, but in colder climates, it needs protecting over the winter. You can do this by wrapping it, or alternatively, if it's in a pot, make sure you move it to a sheltered area. Maintenance? Almost none. Just remove the dead leaves as they appear and keep it tidy. That's it. So if you're after a bold, low maintenance plant that's great for beginners and pros alike, then the Cordyline australis red heart is just for you. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and check out our website for more information on cordylines or any other plant.